Here are the two schools for tonight's show, St. Jago High and Old Harbour High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. From St. Jago High, we have team captain David Gale, Donald Robinson, Joel Henriquez, and Shanari Lindsay. While from Old Harbour High, team captains Stallone Francis, Siobhan Gordon, Nikolai Ashley, and Dujane Jordan. Hello everyone, welcome to the first match of the semi-finals of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Marlene Stevenson-Daly, and your judges are Theresa Easy for the arts and Avi McIntosh for the sciences. It all comes down to this. High schools across Jamaica have entered this challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is our opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Old Harbour High won and it decided to go first. Now, this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Old Harbour, we begin with principles of business. Based on the CSEC syllabus, there are 7 functions of management. Name the 2 that begin with the letter C.
So this is
consumer and
corporate.
No, controlling and coordinating. Principles of business for St. Jago. Based on the CSEC syllabus, there are 7 functions of management. Name the 2 that begin with the letter D.
Delegating and directing. Delegating and directing.
Correct. International affairs for Old Harbour. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Oh, so this is Xi Jinping.
Incorrect. Shinzo Abe, Prime Minister of Japan. International affairs for St. Jago. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Jacinda Ardern.
Correct. English language for Old Harbour. Which 6-letter verb starting with R means to remove sensitive information from a document?
Withheld.
Incorrect. Redact. English language for St. Jago. Which 5-letter noun starting with C means a small group of people specially trained for a particular purpose or profession?
Yeah. Clock. 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 Clock.
Incorrect. Cadre. Music for Old Harbour. Listen to this clip. Give the title of the song.
We've got to mind the phone, so go to hell if what you think is
Could it be love? Could it be love?
could it be love?
No. Could you be loved? Music for St. Jago. Listen to this clip. Give the title of the song.
Steer it up. Steer it up.
Correct. General knowledge for Old Harbour. Name 2 of the 3 countries that competed in the Miss Universe contest for the first time in 2017.
17. No. This is how much is it? 2. Colombia and
India.
Incorrect. Cambodia, Laos, and Nepal. General knowledge for St. Jago. Which countries' representatives were awarded 1st, 2nd, and 3rd places in the 2017 Miss Universe contest?
So Brazil. No, South Africa. South Africa, Venezuela, and Jamaica.
Incorrect. South Africa, Colombia, and Jamaica. Theatre and cinema for Old Harbour. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Jasmine Smith. Jasmine Smith.
Incorrect. Janelle Monáe. Theatre and cinema for St. Jago High. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Natalie Stone. Natalie Stone.
Incorrect. Erica Badu. Old Harbour geography. The Anegada Passage is a strait in the Caribbean that separates the Sombrero Island of Anguilla and what group of islands?
What is it? Turks and Caicos.
Turks and Caicos.
Incorrect. The British Virgin Islands. And geography for St. Jago. The Anguilla Channel is a strait in the Caribbean Sea that separates the islands of Anguilla from what country?
Saint Kitts and Nevis. Saint Kitts and Nevis.
Incorrect. St. Martin. Sports for Old Harbour. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Focus, man. Focus. Kirk Edwards.
Incorrect. Shimron Hetmar. And sports for St. Jago. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Paul Palmer Jr. Paul Palmer Jr. Paul Palmer Jr.
Incorrect. Roston Chase. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are St. Jago on 3 and Old Harbour on 0. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns right after these messages.